Hello everyone, my name is Charan. My registration number is UF134. This is my fifth compiler lab experiment. The topic is stimulation of DFA. Simulation of DFA. The code for the topic is I did this in Python, and first I have taken the input for the number of states in the string, and then I've given range for the particular states. That is, I mentioned it as 0 to x, and then I've mentioned the number of enter the states. It gives the input value in order to give what the states will be like. They can be anything in between 0 to x, or 0 comma x, and it can be anything in a character or a integer. And then it prints the states which you gave in the input statement, and then I've given the input statement for the input symbols, and in the end, and again we take the input symbols, and I've given similarly range I've given as 0 to y, and in the print statement the input symbols are printed. Whatever we gave as the input symbols, the symbols get printed by this print statement. And then as you can see over here, last we've assigned a name called last in order to declare the final state of the particular variable. And then if k is equal to we've created a loop where k is equal to 0 for I in range. As you can see over here, the range is set for st, that is 0 to x. And then one more loop we have set over here for the symbol, and then another loop for the symbols, and another loop for last, as you can see over here. And there is the definition for the transactions where you give it as list append of k of system dot index of q and symbol dot index, and you return both the values of system index and the symbol index. Here you've mentioned count is equal to y, and while cont equal to y, it can be either small or caps. List we will be assigning list equal to some space, and then start equal to st of 0, and then w equal to raw input. The raw input will be the string which you give in order to check. And then for I in w, the w value, as you can see over here, w, where we'll start the transition, and then we'll check if the string is accepted or not. If list of -1 equal to last, then we'll print the string as accepted, and the string gets printed. Else it will be displayed as the string not accepted command will be displayed on your screen. And in the end, when if you want to check for another string, it will ask if you want to check for another string. If you type no, then it will be going back, it will be terminating the process. If you type yes, the program will be repeating, and you can give the other strings also. Now we'll see the output. I'll take the number of states as 2, and the initial state b number of states 2 starts with a, another state b, input symbols 2, 0, 1. They ask to specify the final state, that is b, and a goes from a of 0 goes to give anything in a and b, because you've taken the states as a and b. And then from a of 1 goes to b, and then b of 0 goes to b, something you can give anything regarding this. And the string to check will be something like 0 1 0 0. So it will be accepting the string, and the string gets displayed. Now it will be displaying the want to check against and the string statement. Type no, it gets displayed. Thank you.